shape of you.
Star 1013.
I don't know what you've been told, but time is running out, no need to take it slow. I'm stepping through your toe to toe. I'm just scared, honey, maybe so, but I ain't worried about it right now. Keep them dreaming right, 1999 heroes. I ain't worried about it right now. Swimming in the floods, dancing on the cloud below. I ain't worried about it.
iHeartRadio Music Festival is back.
And every weekday, there's 3 chances to win a trip to the hottest festival of the year in Las Vegas.
Listen for your chance to win weekdays at 9:25 a.m., 1:25 p.m., and 5:25 p.m.
You'll win airfare, hotel tickets for both nights, and $1,000. This year's show includes Sam Smith, Halsey, the Black Eyed Peas, Maren Morris, Avril Lavigne, and more. Get all of the details and links now at 101tree.com.
The 2022 iHeartRadio Music Festival in Las Vegas.
Your next chance to win is coming up with the Bay's Star 1013.
Corey, I'm at the point now where I'm just drinking squeeze because of pure deliciousness.
Not just the deliciousness, but the nutritional value as well.
You've got kale in there, spinach, turmeric, but then you also have apples, pineapple. It's delish.
I'm getting more fruits and veggies in my diet than I have ever.
Get your reset button going. Get that 3-day cleanse, 5-day cleanse, 7-day cleanse. Use the code word radio at checkout to get free same-day delivery if you order by 1 o'clock.
Tell Marcus and Corey sent you at squeezed.com.
You saw people you haven't seen in a while.
You went places you haven't been in a while.
And you accumulated new and different junk.
You came home and you said,
Where are we going to put all this?
relax. We make junk disappear.
All you have to do is point.
No lifting.
No carrying.
No banging and bumping the walls.
Just a beautiful, wide open space full of happiness and sunlight.
You'll have room to roam.
To breathe again.
You've never felt so free.
Call 1-800-GOT-JUNK.
Or visit 1-800-GOT-JUNK.com.
Everything, our farm, our stand, our pop-up shop, it really all started when we discovered the benefits of local, raw honey for our family.
And then we decided to turn it into a business.
We were looking for something to help us get up and running.
So we got the Chase Business Complete Banking Account.
It's more than a bank account. It comes with Quick Accept, which lets us take card payments anytime, anywhere in the U.S. using the Chase mobile app. Plus, we get same-day deposits at no extra cost. For us, it's more than honey. It's about sharing a little sweetness with the world.
Get the Chase Business Complete Banking Account with the essentials you need to help get your business going. Learn more at chase.com/business-complete-banking. Chase for business. Make more of what's yours. Quick Accept is not available in U.S. territories. Enrollment required. Usage subject to approval. Same-day deposits available for payments before 8 p.m. Eastern Time, Sunday to Friday. Fees and rates apply for checking and processing. Limitations and restrictions apply. Participants compensated. Merchant services provided by Payment Tech LLC and WePay Inc. Subsidiaries of J.P. Morgan Chase Bank and a member FDIC.
Think you know Amazon? Think again. Did you know you can get paid when it works best for you? Yeah, that means you can get the money you earned directly after you get benefits like healthcare on your very first day. As an Amazon warehouse associate, you'll be amazed by what you can get. To learn more about all the benefits of working an hourly job at Amazon, go to amazon.com/hourly. That's amazon.com/hourly. Amazon is proud to be an equal opportunity employer.
Wellendorf jewelry is magical.
When you touch it, your life will change.
You will ask yourself,
How did they make this gold rope feel as soft and supple as silk?
hundreds of microscopic and thin strands of gold
Gold as thin as gossamer.
are woven together by hand, just like the finest silk.
And when you see the extraordinary craftsmanship of the rings and bracelets,
You will know that you have seen the pinnacle of the jeweler's art.
Wellendorf jewelry is crafted with the same precision and attention to detail as the finest Swiss timepieces.
Come and see the magic and mystery of Hans-Peter Wellendorf.
Wellendorf jewelry is available to only a small number of jewelers worldwide.
But Shreve has it, of course.
Shreve & Company, luxury timepieces,
Fine designers
flawless diamonds,
and magical Wellendorf jewelry.
Shreve & Company at 150 Post off Union Square.
In Palo Alto, Shreve is perfectly situated in the Stanford Shopping Center.
Every September, music's biggest names come to Las Vegas to play the iHeartRadio Music Festival. Millions tune in to experience once-in-a-lifetime performances and collaborations on the nighttime stage. But on Saturday afternoon, only the select few who have tickets get to see the newest artists who are changing music right now on the daytime stage. September 24th at Area 15 Las Vegas. Get tickets at AXS.com for only $75. Be there with alternative artists like Maggie Rogers, Willow, Girl in Red. And for country music lovers, Chase Rice is there, Ryan Hurd, and Carly Pierce. Lotto and Chloe for hip-hop fans, plus Love, 5 Seconds of Summer, Big Time Rush, Avril Lavigne. And the best part, you'll see all these great artists for only $75. Get tickets at AXS.com. Search Daytime Stage.
Arrowhead has been bringing 100% mountain spring water to your home, sourced from naturally occurring mountain springs in and west of the Rockies. It's why they're committed to conserving springs and the land around them. Arrowhead brand, 100% mountain spring water.
The new Talkback Mike is now live on the free iHeartRadio app.
Hey, it's Corey from The Morning Show. Check this out. You can record and send a message to any of the hosts on Star, like Marcus, like me. Just open the free iHeartRadio app. You stream Star 1013, and when you see that little red microphone button next to the play button, you gotta press that. Then you record your message and hit send. Easy peasy, my friends.
This is Shalini from Fremont. My daughter and I will listen to you all the time. We absolutely love you. Love you all.
The Talkback Mike, now on the free iHeartRadio app.